Hi, hello everyone. This is Soumya from Bookfeast channel. Today I'm gonna review about the prose His First Flight, which was written by Liam O'Flaherty. So before getting into today's video, if you want this particular section to be in Tamil, please do refer the description for the link, and also please do like and share our channel to get further more updates and be one of the subscriber. So when we want to talk about the writer, he was living between the year 1896 to 1984. He is an Irish novelist and short story writer, and he stands as a major figure in the Irish literary renaissance, and he has been the founding member of the Communist Party of the Ireland. His work, his first flight, talks about mother as the essential source of life. Mother seems to be the first teacher and lifelong guide for each and every one of us. We can't say no to this sentence particularly. And here, mother teaches a young one to fly. How a mother's care teaches the young one to fly. So this seems to be the main core of this prose. Now let's get into the summary. So when you talk about characters, mother bird, father bird, two brothers, a sister, and a young one. Here we are going to see about the life experience which was experienced by the young one to fly. So the young seagull was left alone on the ledge, and he was longing to get food but not to fly. Whereas he sees his two brother and his sister had flown away the day before, but still he never started flying and he never wanted to, because he thought that he is not the person one who was created to fly. And he had been afraid to fly as he looked down at the vast sea, and also he stretched below his head when his parents talked to him about flying. He suddenly acts like sleeping, and he often stays beneath his ledge. His father and mother had often come to him and had often called him, and often they offered to practice him, but he never responded to anything. Instead, he wanted his parents to provide him food and keep him safe under his ledge. His parents, they were very shrilly and they were very angry. They scolded him, but there was no reaction. And finally, they said that only then, if he flies, he'll be provided food. Unless he started flying, he'll be starved to death. So this gave in him a great fear. But beyond the fear, he had the fear of flying. So he says, my parents, they'll offer me food. They are my parents, so they'll be offering me a food. But I won't fly. I don't want to fly. He refuses to fly often, but for the life of him, he could not move. He watched his parents perfecting his brothers and sisters, how they taught his brother to fly and how they taught him to dive the fish, how they taught them to fly high. But he never expected him to do the same and to learn from his parents. He trotted back and forth from the one corner to the other corner, and he tries to find some means of reaching his parents without flying. So how it is possible? They are on the other side and he is in this ledge. He wanted to meet his parents, but only by flying he can go through there. But now at present he don't wants to fly, so it is not possible. Instead, he wanted to come them here. I can't go there because I can't fly, but they can fly, so they can be coming here now. So he wanted to make it happen, and whenever the full attention comes towards his side, he pretends like sleeping. Likewise, when he pretended that he was falling asleep, he sensed his brothers and his sister were asleep, and he wanted his parents to come towards him to offer the food. When he sees that his father didn't notice him, but his mother noticed him, and she was having a fish in her leg, and she was storing it and she was eating. And when she swallows one gulp, she sharpens her nose in the nearby stone. So this sense gave him the essence to eat. He longed to eat. And usually there is a character for bird. When it sees up the food, the sight of the food would madden them. So likewise, when he sees his mother eating a fish, he wanted to have it. So he started crying. I mean, in the sense, he started shouting, but there was no any reaction. There was no any response. Suddenly, he started mocking. Finally, his mother came near to him, and he was very much joyful that he is gonna have the food. But when his mother was approaching him with the food, she halted, keeping fly just out of reach. So she is flying, she's standing out of the reach, and she wanted him to fly at least a step. But the hunger had maddened him, and he says that he's not born to fly. His opinion is that he was not born to fly. But he's very hungry, so he dived at the fish. He was reacting like a monstrous, very monstrous way, and he was in very terror. And he found that he was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. Now he realizes that he was flying. So here he realizes that he was created to fly. He was born for flying. He was born in a bird community, so he has to live his life only through flying. So he was no longer afraid, and when he was no longer afraid, when he started flying, his parents guarded him. His brothers and sisters were rounding him with the full happiness. And when he was very tired, he was already hungry, and also this was his first attempt in flying. So this made him look very dull, and he was fainting. His parents and his brothers and sister offered him food, that is fish. And finally he realized that he was born to fly, and he had his first flight. So here thus the prose is titled as his. His refers to the young one. First flight. First is trying to fly. So here I conclude my story. If you want this particular session to be in Tamil, please do refer the description for the link. Please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe our channel to get further more updates. Thank you.